Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter O. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर O का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter O. लेटर O पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo! Shabash! The sound of letter O is O. 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 Letter O की आवाज है O. 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 Trace letter O with a pencil. अब आप O पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter O. अब हम letter O से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. O, orange. O, onion. O, ocean. O, ostrich. O, orange. O, onion. O, ocean. O, ostrich. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. O letter, ocean, ocean, ocean.
O letter, ocean, ocean, ocean.
O letter, give me my portion.
O letter, give me my portion.
Circle the letter O in the given letters. इन लेटर्स में O के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Shabash. Connect lemon to the pigeon with the help of circles. Connect onion to the vegetable with the help of circles. Connect ocean to the ship with the help of circles. Dear teachers, introduce letter O with phonic song. Ask children to name the given O words. Help children make a story with the given pictures and words. Discuss jobs related to ocean, for example, fisherman, sailor, etc. Make aquarium in the class with recycled material. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words ocean, ox, owl, orange, octopus, and ostrich. Dear children, do you know owl is a night bird?